Amazon affiliates is a popular and lucrative way for individuals and businesses to earn money through online marketing. With millions of products being sold on Amazon, this program allows affiliates to promote and advertise products, earning a commission for every sale. Are you curious about becoming an Amazon affiliate? Do you have a website or a social media following and want to monetize it? This prompt will guide you in creating a script that showcases the potential of Amazon affiliates and how you can make the most out of it. Paragraph. Header: the importance of niche and target audience in Amazon affiliate marketing. One of the keys to success in Amazon affiliate marketing is choosing a niche and target audience. Your niche should be aligned with the topics or themes of your platform, and your target audience should be the people who are interested in buying the products you promote. Paragraph. Header: promoting your Amazon affiliates links strategically. Once you have your content ready, the next step is to promote your affiliate links strategically. Share them on your website, social media, and other relevant platforms where your target audience is present. You can also use advertising methods like pay-per-click (PPC) to drive more traffic to your links. Paragraph. Header: tips for sustaining and growing your Amazon affiliate business. As an Amazon affiliate, it is essential to keep up with the latest trends and updates in the e-commerce market. Continuously research and explore new products to promote, and stay engaged with your audience through various channels. With the right approach, you can sustain and grow your Amazon affiliate business and earn a steady stream of income. Amazon Affiliates is a powerful program that offers endless opportunities for online marketers. By following this prompt and creating a script, you can tap into this market and reap the benefits of affiliate marketing with Amazon. Are you ready to take your online marketing journey to the next level? Go ahead and get started.